You, uZethu Bafazi and uThokozile, they lost a baby. I get. So uZethu went for a walk. Washiya umntwana noThokozile. Well, we all know ukuthi uThokozile, as soon as Steve calls, that girl should be like, how high should I jump, Steve? And Steve uthi lalela, oh, shingane uze kumina. And Uthokozile did exactly that, okay? This time around, I'm sorry, Zethu. I am so sorry. I cannot be on your side. I tried. I tried to be on Zethu's side. I tried to go easy on her, thinking that she's a first-time mom. We should show her some grace. But I get Zethu now. I feel like at this point, we have shown you enough grace. So, to mega, guys, oh, Sana, one thing... One thing told me this child could be into Mega's house. When Zethu and Thokozile got into the house, they realized hey man, ingane ayikho, and they called the police. They explained exactly what happened. Zethu is crying. Zethu is also blaming Thokozile. Thokozile, oh, but this is your fault, Thokozile was no, let's stop blaming each other and let's just come up with the solution. Perhaps let's call police, right? So they called the police. Listen, on the next scene, tell me ukuthi umntwana ukuphi. Uthumeka Thumayiza ulimise. Hayi usithushana. She walks in with a child and legit uHlathi benothulani are shocked ukuthi ayibo uZethu, who was very strict ngomntana again, who made sure ukuthi she doesn't want ukuthi umntana yakhe ayohlala kamabandla, legit allowed you to come here with the child. Uthumeka, no, uZethu akangivumelanga ngiyithathele mina ingane, ngibona ingane ineglectiwe ngathatha. And they're like, what do you mean? And Uthumeka is like, listen, I got into that house. The door was not locked. The baby was there by herself. And there was no one else in the house. When I tried to call Zethu, the phone was ringing inside the house. So therefore, I made a decision to leave with the child. Sana, Uthumeka. I want to say Uthumeka is hard, Uthumeka is this, but guys, no, I have give Zethu enough grace. At this point, I'm like, Zethu, do you really still deserve my grace? Do you really still deserve my grace? I feel like I've given you enough grace. You keep on letting this baby down and you keep on fighting to be in this baby's life, okay? Not so long ago, the very same Zethu was talking about taking the baby to KZN. I feel like uZethu is against ukuthi lo mntwana lo abe ne relationship with the Mabandlas. Anything except the Mabandlas will work well for uZethu. And I think really uZethu, guys, she's not thinking what's best for the child at this point. I'm like, Zethu, ngeke, we cannot keep on giving you grace after grace, because it does not even seem like you are thinking for the best of the child, what will be best for this child. Anyway, guys, finally, Thandeka is the savior of the day, the one who walked in and realized, hayibo sana, Uthumeka is with a child. And that's when that she was like, you know what, let me call uZethu and let Zethu know this, okay? uZethu when uThokozile, they rush in Kesana. Then I come, Mtanami, not Uthumeka saying, no, umntwana ukhona, ungawari, ungayihluphi. Don't even stress that much, okay? Umntwana ukhona. However, you are not having any access to this child. uZethu ube like, what do you mean? This is my child, phela. And Uthumeka ube like, lobo umshiya yedwa, lobo umshiya yedwa. And uZethu ube like, yeah, I feel like you've been waiting for this opportunity. So guys, just at least Uthumeka akazi ukuthi uZethu uke wafaka umntwana edustbin, because imagine if Uthumeka bakazi ukuthi uZethu uke wafaka umntwana edustbin, this means Zethu was gonna be in prison, kesan. This means Zethu was going to be in prison, she was going to be in imprisonment. Even if that's the word, but Zethu was not gonna be with us, with the living. No. Zethu was gonna be in prison. So yeah, guys, uThumeka denies the access kuZethu. Uba like calls uZethu an unfit mother. You are unfit. All along I've been suspecting that you are unfit, and she's like, we've been cuddling you for far too long. And uThokozile uthi uyayingena indaba uthi nje uThumeka no, we will go to court rather. So it seems like there is a huge custody battle that is about to break out between uThumeka and uZethu. Honestly speaking, I don't like uThumeka. I do feel like uThumeka is not a good person. However, in this case, Zethu my babe. In this case, Zethu my babe, I'm sorry. I have to be Team Thumeka. Like, you have proven to just, like at some point you're not thinking what's best for the child. You are thinking that you should be spiting the Mabandlas. And honestly, I do feel like, as annoying as Thumeka is, she is the best candidate to look after the baby. And Zethu is not open to that. I'm sorry, but Zethu is getting on my nerves now. Like, she is getting on my nerves. She is being selfish. She only thinks for herself. And the worst part here is that she is actually struggling taking care of the baby, yet she refuses the help that the Mabandlas are willing to offer her. Each and every time Thumeka tries her hardest, Zethu is like, it is not happening. So currently right now, the Mabandlas, they were offering to do some sort of usiko for umntana kaZethu. uZethu is like, no, that is not happening. I'm not going to give you guys the umbilical cord of my child. Not now, and definitely not ever. And I'm like, Zethu, this time around, you are becoming annoying. Like, I sympathize with you thinking you're going through the most. You are not. You just want to spite the Mabandlas. For what reason, I don't know. Here is Zethu and her sister. They are having conversations that they should take the baby to KZN so that the baby will be taken care of by their mother. Is that even necessary when Thumeka have been trying to reach out? Like, no ways. I feel like right now what Zethu is doing to Thumeka is totally unfair and uncalled for. Thumeka is more than willing to take care of that baby. Like, that's the only thing that Thumeka wants. And I feel like uZethu just wants to spite uThumeka. And at this point, I'm like, baby girl, you getting on my nerve. Anyway, uZethu beNxolani, they had a talk, which was much needed, whereby uXolani told uZethu, you know what, I was getting cold feet, bro. You know what, better be honest. Xolani was like, I was getting cold feet, and I'm sorry, but I was getting cold feet, so therefore I couldn't be there for you in time of need. And uZethu was like, you know what, maybe it was for the best. Either way, I was also experiencing postpartum depression, so being with you probably wouldn't have worked out either way. I don't have time to focus in a relationship right now. I just want to focus on myself. Meanwhile, uZethu step out and ask uThokozile for her irresponsible sister to take care of uOkuhle. And guess what? Steve calls. We all know when Steve calls, Thokozile jumps. Thokozile jumped Kesana and left the baby alone. Did they not come back home and the baby is gone? Gone kanje Kesana. Yay, another part of me wants to say uThumeka stole that baby because she had the news of the baby going to KZN. But the other part of me is just so annoyed by uZethu noThokozile. Super annoyed, Kesana. Like, I can't deal with both of them trying to punish uThumeka wabantu. I know Thumeka is not an angel. She can be annoying at times. But uZethu, guys, no, I can't anymore be here and defending uZethu. Zethu, change your behavior, babes. Change it now. Sana, what just happened on Inimba? We just witnessed the biggest argument between Lazarus and Zolega. Oh, Sana, never have I. You know, the way they were so in love and they had a good thing going on between the two of them, and their communication was top, okay? They knew how to communicate. just to experience such a huge breakout, a huge argument. I did not think of it. Anyway, it's good to see that everyone have some sorts of insecurities in a relationship, because I do feel like Lazarus suffered from a bit of insecurities. Other things, I felt like they were a bit exaggerated, super unnecessary. I'm like, Lazarus, Laz, okay? The fact that he went and fetched Zolenga from Hlati's house and he come back and make it a big deal. He's like, yeah, out of all the places where you could have went when you wanted to cool off a bit, you chose to go to Hlati's house. Hlati is your ex-husband. Tsumega is like, what do you mean it's Hlati's house? It's not Hlati's house alone. It's Hlati's house and Tsumega's house. Like, nope, you went to your ex-husband whom you share children with. You needed comfort from your ex-husband. And he's like, I don't get why you don't get my side. Zolega is like, I don't get how you don't get my side. At that point, I was hurt and I needed familiar faces. You need to get my side. At this point, they do not want to get each other's side until Ukawe and Azande walked in on them arguing, and they were shocked because these two people are in a lovely bubble land. No one even thinks of them fighting or arguing, you know what I mean? So this was a shocker, and I think something finally clicked on Usigqibo, and you could tell though, one thing I do love about Zolega and Lazarus is that even though in the midst of their argument, but you could tell that love is there. They are arguing, yes, but this is not because they don't love each other or they want to spite one another. It's because, obviously, when you're trying to get your point ahead and another person is not getting your point, it's kind of like frustrating. It's frustrating me, I know. If I'm trying to raise my point and you don't want to hear my point, if anything, you want me to hear your point, that's what creates big arguments, Anyway, Lazarus now goes to the bedroom and be like, okay, Zolega, how did we get here? I'm like, Puti, njani ke ngoku? Njani, what do you mean you don't know how you got into this point? You got into this point because you are the one who decided to make big decisions, big moves, without including Uzolenga, including telling Uzolenga ukuthi she won't be CEO anymore. I do believe that Lazarus will believe that the position of being a CEO is not worth losing Uzolenga over. And he will be like, it's okay, Zo. I like a woman who fights for what she believes in and what she believes this is right for her. So Uzolega shameful fought a nail in the tooth for that CEO position. Meanwhile, the Mabandlas, what else can the Mabandlas do or be without being annoying? The Mabandlas, annoying as ever. They want to do isiko lika okuhle, and they're like, oh, we have to do it the Mabandla way. Kaloku phela umntana simhlawulile. Mangayesa bakhuluma kanjalo. So yeah, they claim ukuthi kaloku umntana bamlobolile, so therefore nje umele bakhiphelo imali, they claim ukuthi yeah, phela bona umntana bamlobolile, and therefore money must be not imali. Why am I saying money? I'm so sorry, guys. Therefore uzethu should allow them ukuthi bayenze isiko, and uthi like lesiko leli we have to ukuthi siliyenze, like there is no any other way. We have to ukuthi siyenze isiko and bazofuna usiko through inkaba yomntwana, not uzethu benosisi yakhe bathi yiphi yona inkaba yomntwana yothina singcwabile shem. So this is a new fight again. Nithini ke ngoku bafazi iyogujwa inkaba yomntwana la ingcwetshwe khona emathuneni, and like most likely abasakhumbula ukuthi bayingcwabe phi, and I wouldn't even blame uzethu makathi ayo mina ngisakhumbula ukuthi le nkaba ngiyingcwabe phi maka yona ngiyingcwabile. Ooh, the Mabandla's shame, their drama, I can't with them. Oh, Asana Uzolega ndiyamjaja for taking Bavumile to Hlati's house. Yes, I'm side-eyeing Lazarus right now. I'm like, what happened to our sweet romantic Lazarus? What happened to him? However, Zolega's actions are unjustifiable. Like, every time you have an argument with your husband, you're gonna end up in your ex-husband's house. That looks so wrong. It does not matter that your ex-husband is now married to your sister. He is still your ex-husband. To make it worse, their son, Bavumile, both Lazarus and Zolega were kind of like off leash with allowing Ehlansi to be in Bavumile's life. But now Zolega just ran straight into Hlasi's house. And that's beside the point. It's not even about Zobafumile. Honestly, it's really beside. The point here is Zolega had an argument with her husband, which is Lazarus. And the first thing that came to her mind is to go to her ex-husband's house. What do you mean, Zolega? What do you mean? However, I am definitely mad at Lazarus. I'm not going to sit here and act as if I want to speak on Lazarus' behalf. Lazarus, I mean, like, this position of being a CEO has definitely changed the person that he is. He just, even when he went to fetch Uzolega a Cosmo, here I was thinking that he wants to fix things. I'm like, okay, good, Lazarus, go fetch your woman. Only to find out that he wants to argue some more. He's like, oh, why did you do this? Like, you cannot talk about someone's reaction. No, you have to take accountability for your action. If you guys had an argument, you need to understand what triggered that person's reaction. 100% Zolega is wrong. I'm not gonna sit here justify Zolega as well. Zolega shouldn't have went to her ex-husband's house, period. However, when Lazarus made a decision to go and fetch Uzolega, he should have known they are not going to be discussing Zolega's reaction of going to Cosmo. They're going to be discussing what's made Zolega to go to Cosmo, because that's the real issue. Oh, sana was shinjela o Lazarus. Meanwhile, sana kazethu ziyakhala ziko loudspeaker. Uthokozile found a baby in a dustbin. Did I not say ukuthi Uthokozile ukuthi uzethu put that baby in a dustbin? I did, okay? Anyway, I was disliking Uthokozile. I'm not even gonna lie. I was not Team Thokozile at all. But when she said, listen here, Zethu, this thing will stay between us and only between us. We are not going to talk about it. We're not going to tell people. No one else will know that this is what you did to the baby. I was like, good, Thokozile, you are now thinking. As much as Uzethu is still being haunted by mom guilt, she says she feels guilty and everything else. I'm like, yeah, Zethu, probably mom guilt yona izokutsha sana. You put your child in a dustbin. Who does that? But do not tell Tumeka, do not tell the Mabantlas. No one, absolutely no one must know that you once put your child in a dustbin. That's if you want to keep a relationship with your child, because knowing Utumega, yesana, knowing Utumega, she could easily file for custody, and Zethu will never, ever see that child again. So, yeah, what is in Zethu's best interest right now is to just keep it a secret and never tell anyone about this whole ordeal of Okuhle ending up in a dustbin. And I hope it won't happen again. It seems like Zethu now is trying to adapt into motherhood. She feels very much remorseful for putting a child in a dustbin, and it seems like she have just a willingness of being a better mom, and which I'm like, kudos to you, Zethu, kudos to you. It's only take willingness, honestly. As long as you want to be a better mom, therefore you're gonna be a better mom. That's it, So I'm like, okay, I see a bit of improvement. I see you, Zethu. I'm sorry, guys, but I have to judge Zethu. I know you're all gonna be like, no, it's postpartum depression. I get that. I do get that women do suffer from postpartum depression after giving birth. Sometimes it's severe, sometimes it's mild, and it does look like, it has really affected Zethu badly. And honestly, Uthokozile does not help at all, because giving Zethu those pills was definitely not a good idea. We don't know where she got the pills. We don't know who prescribed the pills to her, and what exactly are the pills for, and the side effects for the pills. But still, she decided that she should give them to Uze